I am really not a fan of ironing. By the time I've done my son's school uniform, I'm really like, I've had it for the week with the ironing. But even I know some projects need to be ironed, and I've seen some really cute little irons about the place. It was my birthday recently, so I got someone to get me an iron, which is very exciting. So let's have a look at the Quilted Bear mini steam iron with travel hard case. So it comes in a nice black case. You can already tell this is going to be mini because this is sort of the size of a normal iron, the whole case. This looks so cute. It comes with a little watering jug, and this is the iron. It's actually like, I don't know, it's like a little toy iron, to be honest. There we go. But it does fit in my quite small hand very well. Not sure about having the buttons right on top, like where your hand is. It's got some lights here. This is where you fill it up. Makes sense. Pretty straightforward, I think. Little steam thing, so it does the steam. So I'm going to have a go, and what I'm looking for is for it to heat up really quickly, for the steam to work quickly, and just to be sort of comfortable and basically easier. I don't know if a small iron will make ironing easy, but that's my hope. Let's see if it stands up. Yeah, it stands up okay. So I was pretty pleased with it. I did catch the button a little bit with my hand, but it was really comfortable, and it did heat up nicely. I think it's probably better than my current iron, which is probably why I hate ironing, because I've got a rubbish iron. I am hoping I will get some use out of this. It's aimed at quilters and ironing, I guess, scraps and sort of cut out shapes. But I think it will work. Try to iron heat erasable pen and just ironing things before you mount things. I think it will work really well. It will encourage me to iron my things a little bit more, because sometimes they're a bit crinkly. So I'm going to let the case dry out. Mental note, do not put it away with any water left in it. And then I'm going to see what else needs ironing.